Morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning podcast. Yesterday, we saw the renewed strength coming in our markets, and now we are again poised for strength to be seen in days to come. Today, as Gift Nifty also shows a positive opening, so we would now have a range of 21,500 as a broad-based support and 22,000 for today as resistance, but the next target resistance would come at 22,200. Bank Nifty also showed a lot of strength yesterday after taking prominent support of the 200-day moving average, and now it needs to cross the hurdle of 46,200 to see further up move. So SBI, we have been repeatedly mentioning, so SBI is one of the stocks that has been an outperformer, and it gave a decisive breakout. So it is now close to the next target resistance of 750. A move past that gives us the next target of 780 to 800. But along with that, HDFC Bank, which has shown signs of bottoming out at 1360, is now ready to give a bounce from here on. So also is the case with Kotak Bank. After making a low of 1690, it's showing strength over here. So we are looking at banking stocks, the the private sector as well as the PSU to show good participation. Along with that, selective metal stocks have been doing well. So we are pretty upbeat on Nalco, which we've been recommending. And technically, Hind Copper, SAIL, NMDC, they are all very well placed. The levels for Vedanta are also very well given. We are now waiting for a breakout to come in Vedanta about 289 to 293. We will be looking at the next target of 320. Of course, this is a positional trading strategy. So these are the stocks which one can look into. In the mid-cap, yesterday we saw Swan Energy, which was recommended last week, has given a good close. So we continue to stay bullish on that. We are looking for a next target of 750. And now, once again, we reiterate the PSU sector, that is NBCC, NHPC, these two stocks have bounced back from its good crucial support levels. So we would be expecting further run-up to come in these stocks as well. So that is it for today. Let the market start and momentum-based strategies will be given accordingly. Thank you.